Now, my friends, there are some error you may face in the chat GPT. Okay, um, you may face in chat GPT. For example, here you can see that if your chat GPT will be open for a very long time, so it may show you this type of error. An error occurred. If this error continue, just contact us to the help center like this. Okay, so this is a very common error. You just simply need to load, but you have to understand that this error you may face only when your chat gpt will be open for a very longer time like this. Maybe your chat gpt is open here and you're just working for something else for 30 to 40 minutes. So in that may this situation, this error may occur. So just refresh the chat gpt. Okay, and then this problem will be solved. Let's wait for few seconds. Let's wait. Okay, um, okay, so all done. Now you can just ask hi. Okay, then it will going to work like uh, earlier. Okay, very smooth. Okay, so you just need to refresh to solve this error. And the second error you may face is that too many requests in 1 hour, try again later. So sometimes what happen, you may be working a lot in chat gpt, so it can give this type of message: too many requests in 1 hour, try again later. So the simple solution is that you can just log out from here. You can just create one more google account, or if you have some other google accounts, so there you can just sign up for the chat gpt and you can use it there. Okay, so that are the two normal error which people face, and there's nothing in the chat gpt. Okay, and as mentioned, even if you face some kind of a more technical issues, so just click on this updates and fnq. Okay, and you can just contact to this company OpenAI, and you can tell them the problem which you are facing. Okay, apart from these two problem which I have told you now how to solve it. Okay,